The admin dashboard. Everything you need to manage your business in one place. Let's take a tour. The overview gives you a snapshot of today. Total bookings, confirmed versus cancelled, and how your capacity is tracking hour by hour. At the top, your customer booking link is ready to copy. Add it to your Google Maps profile, WhatsApp business account, Instagram, Facebook, or your own website, so customers can book directly. The action inbox flags anything that needs your attention, like a customer who rescheduled or a no-show. Quick action buttons let you jump straight to creating a booking, inviting staff, or adjusting your hours. Manage all your bookings in one table. Filter by date range, status, service, or staff member, or search by customer name. Open any booking to edit the time, reassign staff, update the status, or cancel with a reason. Need to book on behalf of a customer? Create a new booking directly. Pick the service, choose a date and available time slot, enter customer details, and confirm. Invite team members by email. They'll receive a link to set up their staff portal. The directory shows everyone at a glance with their active status and assigned bookings. Select any staff member to view or edit their weekly schedule, set daily overrides, or deactivate their account. The coverage heat map highlights gaps so you always know when you're short-staffed. Set your business operating hours with 30-minute slots and define how many concurrent bookings each slot can accept. Add exceptions for holidays or special hours, close for a full day, or adjust the window without changing your regular schedule. Under Services, create each offering with a name, duration from 30 minutes to 2 hours, and pricing: fixed, arrange, or no price. Reorder or deactivate services anytime. Customize the booking confirmation email your customers receive. Edit the subject line, heading, body text, and footer. Choose whether to include a map link, a cancellation link, or attach a PDF resource, so your customers have everything they need in one email. In your business profile, update your name, phone, location, and time zone. Upload your logo and set your brand color to match your identity. Manage resources like links or PDFs that are sent with booking confirmations. You'll also find ready-to-use code snippets to embed your booking widget directly into your own website. Billing is straightforward. $19 per location per month, with up to 20 staff included and no commissions. Add your VAT ID for invoicing, increase or reduce the number of licenses as your team changes, and view your full payment history and invoices from one screen. Run your business from one dashboard. Reserv.Now.